all my talented animators. Welcome to my studio. Look, our story's little fox, the playful rabbit, the cute hedgehog, the sun,
clouds, and even our apple trees. And they're all here. We've built so many amazing things for this story.
Now it's time to put everything together and bring it all to life. Today, we're gonna learn how to do frame-by-frame animation.
Frame-by-frame animation means taking a picture of every small movement. Are you ready for this magical work?
Very close attention to me. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do the movements. This part is our roadmap for creating the little fox animation. First, watch the clouds move. Now, I'm gonna show you on the line how you should move the clouds. If you imagine it hard enough, you can move the clouds.
Watch me very carefully to see how I make the movements. Okay, here is our cloud. First, I'll draw a line and we'll move it over 11 frames, just like me.
To be able to create a good stop motion animation, you should watch this video a few times and practice all of these movements.
Now it's the sun's turn. To bring out the sun's shine, we have to swap the small triangles with the big triangles.
Now, our sun will close its eyes and smile. For this, we'll need one eye that looks like a circle and one eye that looks like a small line.
Okay, now it's the turn of the second cloud. Just like the first cloud, we'll draw a line and move it according to the frames. Now we have to move all three together. To create an animation, you need to do all of the work with care. Okay, how is that so far? Now we'll set up the apple forest with all the trees and hills. Here, only the sun moves.
Now it's the turn of the little fox who is hungry in its den. Look, in these 6 frames, by repeating the actions, the little fox is waking up and rubbing its eyes.
Now its mouth is sad because it's hungry and has no food. Its hand comes to its stomach and its tail also moves, just like me. First, draw the movement path and then start moving it. Now it walks to the outside of the den to food. Do you see how it walks? Our animation test so far. Did you learn it well? If you like this video, be sure to like it, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next part, which is the continuation of our Little Foxes animation roadmap. Goodbye, and practice a lot.